How to play Minesweeper. So the goal is to clear the entire board without clicking on a mine. Start a new game by clicking the smiley face, then left click anywhere to reveal some space. If you click on a mine, the game ends. Each numbered square shows how many mines are touching it. This includes squares above, below, left, right, and diagonally. Numbers range from 1 mine nearby, to 8, surrounded by mines. Blank spaces mean no adjacent mines. Use right-click to place a flag where you think a mine is. Right-click again to remove the flag. A flag square cannot be accidentally opened. If a numbered square already has the correct number of flags around it, you can left-click or press both buttons at once on that number to automatically open the surrounding safe squares. Use logic and deduction from the revealed numbers to identify where mines are hidden. You win the game once all mines are flagged and all safe squares are uncovered.